Good morning, children. Welcome back to the science class. Nowadays, we are learning about the physical and chemical changes. Today, I am going to show you an experiment. From that, I would like you to say which one is physical change and which is chemical change. Observe physical and chemical changes. Materials required: candle, piece of cardboard and matchsticks. Place a candle on a piece of cardboard and light it with a match. What happens to the wax? What happens to the wax? You will see that some wax melts near the flame. This molten wax solidifies back to solid wax. Only the state of the wax has changed. So, this change in the wax is the physical change. Next, hold a piece of cardboard above the candle flame for 30 seconds. What do you observe on the cardboard? What do you observe on the cardboard? You will see black soot deposited on the cardboard. You will see black soot deposited on the cardboard. Now, you will be able to say which one is physical and which is chemical change. When a candle burns, both physical and chemical changes occur. Melting of wax is physical change because only physical state is changing from solid to liquid. But burning of wax is chemical change because in burning, wax reacts with oxygen present in surroundings and forms carbon dioxide and ash. Let us study about the physical changes. Changes that affect only the physical properties of a substance and where no new substances are formed are called physical changes. What are the physical properties of a substance? Size, shape and state. In physical change, there is no new substance is formed. Some examples of physical changes. When water changes to steam on heating or to ice on cooling, no new substances are formed. Ice, water and steam are different only in their physical properties. Ice is the solid form of water and water is the liquid form and steam is the gaseous form. Therefore, these changes are physical changes. Some other examples of physical changes are melting of butter, tearing of paper, breaking of glass, dissolution of sugar in water, evaporation of seawater, and condensation of water vapor. These are all some examples of physical changes. Let us study about the characteristics of physical changes. First one, a physical change affects only the physical properties of a substance such as size, shape and state. Second one, no new substance is formed in a physical change. Third one, the substance after the change and the substance before the change are the same chemically. A physical change can be either reversible or irreversible. A reversible change is one that can be reversed by removing the cause of the change. Second one, an irreversible physical change. An irreversible change is one that cannot be easily reversed. Boiled egg is an example for irreversible physical change. What kind of change is involved when a sheet of paper is shredded? Yes, it is a physical change since no new substance is formed. But it is not possible to get back the sheet of paper by any simple method. Therefore, it is an irreversible physical change. Let us study about the crystallization. Crystallization is the process of separating a solid from its solution as crystals. Crystals are the purest form of a solid substance. They have a definite geometric shape. Crystallization is an example of a physical change, and it is used to get pure crystals of certain substances. Crystals are formed naturally but can also be made artificially by crystallization. First, a solute is dissolved in a solvent till the solution becomes saturated. The solvent is allowed to evaporate to get large crystals of the solute. Crystallization is commonly used in industries to form the crystals of substances like sugar, common salt, urea, alum, and copper sulfate from their respective solutions. How is common salt obtained from seawater? How is common salt obtained from seawater? You know that seawater contains salt. That is why it tastes salty. Common salt is recovered from seawater by evaporation and crystallization. Seawater is usually stored in huge, shallow ponds and left there for the water to evaporate naturally. The salt is left behind as impure crystals and purified by crystallization before it is distributed for use. This is the pure form of crystals. Let us revise the topic. Define a physical change. Changes that affect only the physical properties of a substance and where no new substances are formed are called physical changes. Is a physical change reversible or irreversible? A physical change can be either reversible or irreversible. What is crystallization? What is it used for? Crystallization is the process of separating a solid from its solution as crystals. Crystallization is used to get pure crystals of certain substances. Thank you.